Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we will be discussing a Jurassic World Dominion. I know it's been 2 years now since its release, but today we have this super rare GEOSTERNBERGIA, straight from Japan, guys. It never came out here in the US. Even so, you can find it on eBay, but they're so pricey. Alright, it even shows like it's so super rare. It has that those symbols right here, like from 2 years ago. They didn't have that. Alright, so in the back we have this one, but this too is a super rare Velociraptor. It was not released here in the US. I have one though, but I painted it. It's not the original one because some Velociraptors are repacked, so I decided to paint them, make it look like this. But anyways, let's go to these, to our main guy. It all has Japanese lettering, wing flapping action it says, so we'll check that out. So it says right there, boost creativity, enhances fine motor skills. Okay, see, the American version didn't have any of these symbols. Okay, it's made in Vietnam. Yeah, definitely 2 years ago, 2022, when the movie came out. Alright, so let's check it out. Let's unbox it and we'll compare to the Hammond Collection GEOSTERNBERGIA again. I doubt if the wings can be folded like this. I don't think so. Okay, so let's open it up. This super rare dino right here. Oh wow, it's kind of scary. It's so rare. It's so scary to... Oh my goodness. Wow. How do I open this guy? Holy smokes, it's kind of scary to cut it. There. Okay, here we go. We got it. Alright, so it has green eyes. There you have it. Better than the Hammond Collection. The Hammond Collection has orange eyes. Nice beak. Let's see if it really flaps. There's the symbol. There you go. It does flap. See? Let's check the DNA scan. Right, it's in the... Oh, it's super cool. So there it is. Nice. Can't move the legs. No articulation in the legs. So just like that. Close them. Oh wow. Why is the mouth like that? Why is the beak like that? For some reason it looks kind of odd now. Okay. So there you go. The flapping. That's all it does. Compared to its Hammond Collection variant, it's definitely bigger. Always Hammond Collections are always bigger. You can stretch the wings better, has articulation in the legs. And there you go. Now we'll compare it. Look at that, huh? Different wing color. The crest is also different. The head crest, eyes, the beak, different colors, size obviously. Legs, all blue here. The belly part, different. Okay. Yep. So that's it for today, guys. Also, I'd like to show all my upcoming hybrids. So let's put this aside first. Let's fold this guy again. I wish they'd make a Pteranodon one day, like the Hammond Collection again. Any Pterosaur, or maybe even a Dimorphodon. Alright, so let's take the box out. What we have first, we're gonna use this Regaliceratops here. It's already been started. I cut it out already, cut the horns, save the body. Also, I found this today at Walmart, brand new, a bigger version of Bumpy. It's almost the size of a Hammond Collection Ankylosaurus. You push the button, it swings. I'm gonna make this a hybrid too, because it looks so childish, and for some reason they didn't fix the club right here. There's like, I'm gonna clay it up, maybe repaint it. It comes with Ben. This is a big Ankylosaurus, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'll probably repaint this and add some clay, or maybe fix the tail, make it a little longer, because the tail looks so short. Okay, and we have this Miragaia from Walgreens. Right here, I'm gonna cut all the spikes. It's gonna go to the new Giga Hybrid. So it's gonna be pretty sick. Okay. Also this one, got it at DD's a week ago. So I have a great idea on this guy, a bigger Pachycephalosaurus. You know where it's gonna go now, right? Okay. And of course, And I have another Habitat Defender Triceratops. This will be a bigger version again of a Ceratopsian. So that'll be a surprise. Okay, guys. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. You guys have a great one. Bye for now. Thank you. Oh, here it is.